G'day guys, One Man's World here. Just today we are going to turn out some kifla potatoes I planted about 3 to 4 months ago. Gonna check and see what we actually have. I've dug around the top of it and we do have a little bit on top, but to see what's down the bottom I'll have to flip out the bucket and have a bit of a count. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is my 50 litre container. I've planted my kifla potatoes in, so I'll flip that over now and we'll rummage through and see what we can find. Okay, so I'm just going to rummage through. Fingers crossed for some sort of potato in here. Or a massive...
Whoa, that's huge.
Or a massive grub. Hopefully he didn't eat too much. So far. More for the chooks to eat than we are. There's a bit of a cluster. Alright guys, there's my dismal little kifla potato harvest. Hopefully next time we do them there's a lot more potatoes than there is grubs. We actually had more grubs than potatoes in this soil, so I don't know if that had something to do with it or not, but next time we'll do potatoes. Well, I've actually got some going at the moment. Hopefully there's a lot better harvest of potatoes rather than worms out of it, so stay tuned for that one. Okay guys, now for the moment of truth. Hoping for 200 grams here. Oh, there we go. $270 grams. Not bad for 3 months work. Anyway, stay tuned for upcoming videos of gardening and backyard farming. And don't forget the thumbs up. Thanks guys.